Fusor 019 is the industry's first acrylic bare metal brushable seam sealer. It reproduces a brushed OEM factory seam seal appearance, and it improves your cycle time by eliminating 2 time-consuming steps. Priming and sanding steps are completely eliminated. In the time it takes for one seam seal application, you could be working on your second car. Fusor 019 is perfect for rear body panels, taillight pockets, core supports. Use Fusor 019 on any area where you want a brushed seam.